Hi everyone, this is Erin from Sandpaper Road, and today I'm showing you the Kitchen Mode paper collection by Craft a Clock. I'm just going to walk through the designs in the collection, and this is the 12 by 12 set. You get 6 sheets of paper, double-sided. And the weight is 250 GSM. Just beautiful. Perfect for all kinds of different scrapbooking and paper crafting projects. Lovely color palette. Love that. That is the 12 by 12. This is the 6 by 6, which is the same set of designs, just scaled down. And then there's a bonus design on the back of the cover paper on all the different sizes. And then it repeats. So the 6 by 6 has 24 sheets. That means you get 4 of each design. And this is also 250 GSM as well. That's the paperweight. Now in the 8 by 8 size, what Craft a Clock has done is created an 8 by 8 size of all the designs we've just seen, and then a basic size, a basic set also. So you'll see, I'll show you this. This is just the same as we've seen so far in the 8 by 8, just scaled down. Okay, and then it repeats. Now the 8 by 8, you get 24 sheets for of each design as well. The basic set is the same color palette, but it's minus the sort of the graphic picture type designs that we saw in the other. Okay, and then it repeats. Now this would be perfect if you're making a mini album, because then you can use the base papers, or if you're a card maker, or if you like traditional scrapbooking, then you can use this to make your base page or your base pages, and then use the other sets to embellish. But if you just can't decide if you want it all, there is an 8 by 8 mix. That means instead of the 4 of each design as you got in the other 8 by 8 sets, this you have a mix of the design papers and the base papers, and you get 2 of the regular papers and 2 of the base. So it's exactly the same as we've been seeing, just you have some of these, and we've already seen them, so I'll flip through, and then you have some of the base, all in the same set. That is a great way to get started. So this is called mix, okay? The mix, the 8 by 8 mix. There's also sets of extras, and they've done that same idea. We have a kitchen and food set of extras. We have a kitchen lover set of extras, and then we have a mix. So this set has 18 double-sided sheets. This set has 18 double-sided sheets. In these you get 2 of each design. They're 9. I'll show you this one first. This is the kitchen lover set. Okay. So nice. Vintage, retro type of more people who are the kitchen lovers. You've got men, you've got women, you've got children, you've got aprons, And then you've got some sweet treats, coffee, vegetables, flowers, that kind of thing. And then it repeats, okay? So that is the kitchen lover set. And then the kitchen and food is just a little bit different, because this one is more your recipe type looking, your recipe cards, refrigerators and utensils, dishes, pots, pans, that kind of thing. Okay. Completed food dishes. Let's see what we have here. Recipe books, silverware, salt, pepper shakers, just different types of fruits and vegetables than any other, and then it repeats. So that is the kitchen and food set of extras. And then they have a mix, which is instead of two sets here, 2 sets here within, then you have one of each. Okay? And I won't go through, but you'll be able to see it's just the same exact sets, but you have some of the people, some of this set, and some of this set in the mix of extras. Definitely check this out over at sandpaperroad.com. It is available and shipping within the United States. It is made in Poland and extremely high quality paper for scrapbooking, mini albums, mixed media projects, and all your scrapbooking needs. Check out at sandpaperroad.com, and you can search by category. You can just search for kitchen mode. Thanks so much for subscribing. Check out our other paper collections by Craft O'Clock available in the shop, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.